Make a great choice today with the 2021 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.